Doing a diagnostic on this Maytag top load washer. Issue is it's bouncing all over the place. So open the lid. One of the first thing I want to do is check the inner tub tension on the support on the suspension rod. So you see how it's bouncing like crazy. It's not supposed to do that, and it's actually flooring out. So the actual motor on the bottom is actually hitting the floor. Not supposed to be doing that. Look at that. Yep. So issue with this, it needs all 4 new replacement suspension rod assembly, and that will get it running back in new condition.